everything's screwed down here. Oh, I'm almost dead. Oh God, that was close, man. I saved the day! Yay! Yay, Dizzy! Here, tabbies. Here, get all fat and happy. Where'd your big guy friend go? Where'd he go? All right, so I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna grab this tab. Come here. Yeah, no, come here. There you go. There you go. There's your new house. Enjoy. Oh shit. He's trying to eat the carrot, but he can't. He's like, what the hell is this? Oh, I got an idea. Let's do this. Yeah, MLG. See? The strategies you learn from the Dizzy Dizaster Master. Whoa, where'd it go? Oh, is it flying? No, don't fly away! Yo! I'm not keeping these slimes anymore, man. Why did I even build this for you if you're gonna run away? What do you like? Fruit. Oh, you don't like carrots. Alright, well, sorry, goddammit. Here, I'll feed you, I'll feed you. Hang on. Here! Stop running! Yo, there's fruit for days. Don't go anywhere. It's free food, you stupid little slimes. Alright, yo. I got a gift for you. It's from the neighbors. They said they don't like you very much. Nice. You are ML Jesus. Let me get the air net. That's right, you're trapped! We got control of this. Hello! Pew, 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 pew. We'll build the farms over here. Purchase. Let's go find a Q-berry. We're gonna make Q-berry farms, and nothing's gonna stop us. We're gonna corner the market on Q-berries. Oh, wait! Tabby, 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 Tabby. I need you. I need you. Where's the Q-berry? That's mine! Ow, a little chicken! Yo, what are you doing? What are you doing? What a dick. Here. Grow Q-berries. 71 minutes?! Oh, that's how long it remains. I thought that was like how long it was gonna take to grow their Q-berry. I was like, what the? Ow! Stop! Stop! I am friend! More carrots. I need to do something with these carrots. I'm just collecting carrots. Oh, what do the blue ones eat? I got a really good idea. Vegetables. Yo, yo. I got the best idea ever. You guys are gonna think that I'm amazing at this game. I'm not, but you're gonna think I am. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna buy a auto feeder. Nice. And we're gonna put the carrots in there. Now you're probably saying, Dizzy, why are you putting carrots in there with the little kitties? With the little cocks? Because we're gonna put the stone dudes in there, and we're gonna make stone cats. Alright, let's go grab the stone dudes. Hey! You're repossessed. Let's go. Alright, we need the stone dudes. Where are they? There's one! Nope, that's not. That's caught. Have you caught? Talk to them. Yeah! We did it. Yo, can you get back in your cage, please? Thank you. Yes! Look at that! Give me the plorts, man. Give me the plorts! Come on now, give me the plorts! Oh, we're gonna have a big problem here soon. If they come in contact with that shit, we're gonna have a big problem. Put food in the auto feeder. There is food in there! Soak! Oh no! The rocket tabby slimes? I'm trying to get enough to afford to feed them. Ah! I gotta build walls first. They're running away. And if they start pooping in the other cage, we're gonna be in trouble. Ah! Have berries! This is gonna get bad really quickly if I'm not careful. Quick! Binky! No, don't learn more, purchase more. God damn it! Get in there! in! Oh my god! It's like the end of the world! Please! Come here! Ah! Yo, I'm gonna die! Screw this entire farm! Alright, get in! Get in! They need food. They got food! They got carrots! Everybody has food! Why are they complaining about food? Get in here! Get in here! You got plenty of food. Alright. Stop jumping out! God damn it! Yo! I'm gonna throw you in the ocean! Oh, fuck. A tabby got in there, man. Rip! Get him out of here! Get him out! No! 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 We're okay over here. Here, go back! Oh, Jesus! No! I'll save you! Where are you? No, please! No! Get out of here! Get out of here! Oh, rip. Fine, F them. You're out of my face. It's daytime. Run free in the sun. We're starting over. Starting over! We're rebuilding this town. We're gonna build it the right way. Y'all can get the hell out of here. Go! Big E! We're gonna rebuild the farm, man. The farm is gonna be rebuilt. You shut the hell up for a minute. I'm trying to figure something out. There's death of— oh shit! Never mind. Wrong villa. Wrong villa! Fuck. Get out of here! I don't want you! I want your carrots! Go! Stealing your carrots. Oh no! Get out of here! How— get— go! Where is it? Silk monsters! That's what those are. This is what a silk monster actually looks like in real life. Stay gone! Biggie!
Ебать, дети, беги!
Ooh. Look at the money! Look at the money! Yeah! Keep rolling! Rolling in the cash! Give me the cash! Come on now, give me the cash! Yes! 17! Nice! Ooh! Привет! Yeah! Yeah! Keep rolling! Keep rolling! Woo! Oh, money, 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 money! Loads of money! Money, money, money! Loads.
Money, money, money.
Yeah.
На донатах я жирую, да. Money, money, money. Задонать мне, ну, пожалуйста.
Get out of here! Yo! Get out of here! I want there to be slimes in real life. So if they get in my way, I can just pick them up and launch them. What is this? The ranch is very on wild side. Let's try it out. Let's see what we got over here. Oh! Chickens! Look at them all flying. Oh, you sourdough of them. Yo, I'm gonna get a whole bunch more of these. Because I have a ton of food for them. And I can use them to produce more money, money, money. Yo, collect! Collect, Suka! Ow!
After 20 years of hard work, the farm is huge. Altars have been destroyed. And now, only chickens rule this world. True MLG chickens. Yep. Oh yeah.